Greetings, everyone. Look at what I got. Wait, I shouldn't be breaking a heart. I should be... Oh, dear. Oh, I messed it up. Doesn't matter. Beautiful new RP books arrived today. I just want to share today with you guys what new books I'm getting. Comment if you've played any of them, and let me know if you like them, or if you're excited to check out more. I'll put the links in the descriptions down below for where you can get these systems. I know very little about them. I know a little bit about Pirate Borg. Now this beauty is based off of Borg, which was a rules light D20 system. Character creation is fast. Gameplay is brutal, quick, deadly. Setting is dark. And scurvy-ridden. I can't think of more adjectives. It's a very cheesy, voodoo magic-filled pirate romp of scurvy, immoral sea dogs. And you can also play as a skeleton. It's a playable character type. Ooh, look at how ominous, the British. You can even play as a crocodile. Not an anthropomorphic crocodile, a real crocodile, or a parrot, or a monkey. Ooh, look at how every page is just oozing with character and unique artwork. I can't wait to play this. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, so much character. It captures that pirate aesthetic so well. Oh, man. Oh, the adventures, the maps. Aren't they beautiful, everyone? Oh, very, very impressed. Can't wait to run this. Apparently, the rules are easy to grasp. The character sheets I've seen online, they look phenomenal. Can't wait. Second up, we have more of a philosophy tome, The Burning Wheel. Now, I know a lot less about this one. And the reason why I'm drawn to this is, and I'm going to read at the back here. As soon as you decide to make a character in Burning Wheel, you are confronted with decisions about the character's past, ethics, beliefs, scars, goals, and dreams. I've seen the basic system, and I've seen the character sheets, and all those deeper questions that I've just raised about your character's personality, their goals, their dreams, all these things. They're on the character sheet. They're paths you can progress through. And as you improve in one, it's not just a linear improvement, as in you get better at all these virtues. No, there are trade-offs. There are double-edged swords. Every decision comes with consequences. This will, I think, help me, even if I don't end up playing this, guys. I think I want to read through this and take these ideas and implement them in other systems even. Because these ideas resonate. As you can see, very little artwork, even though that's gorgeous. This is a textbook. It's filled with stuff. But yeah, those ideas will help me create the types of characters I like as an improviser, as someone who likes playing 3D characters with real hopes and dreams and, you know, flaws. It's quantified in the very system itself. And I'm a firm believer of steal stuff from various systems, and you don't have to play a system fully as it is. You can borrow what you like, throw the rest away. These are just ideas and recipes of, you know, different things. You can create your own feast with those recipes from various recipe books, which are RPGs. Thanks for that, guys. Thanks for the great support so far. The channel's been doing great. Please like the video if you like this or any of my other videos. It really helps a new channel just get a little bit of traction. I have a lot more planned. I've been really enjoying just philosophizing and giving you guys more GM tips. Have a good day till then. And have a good day.